wake up in my bed and I'm feeling so tired. What's up, guys?
It brings a tear to my eyes.
Morning. What's up, man?
What's up?
Morning.
What's up? What's up?
What's up, peeps?
Look at what we're doing. We're rushing our video, man. So crazy.
Yeah.
We're on vacation, but we're still working. Woo! Jeez, man.
So we're gonna upload the video right now. I think it's gonna be in the description. It's about Microsoft 365, if you don't know. So yeah, pretty exciting day ahead. It's almost 12 and we have to be done by 2, the video.
2 more hours to go.
Yeah, and we still have to finish up the Chinese subtitles. Why? Why Chinese, man? So hopefully we're gonna be done by 2. And then we're gonna head out, shoot some shits. Woo! Shoot some shits with Dan Khoo.
Yeehaw.
Yeah. And hopefully we get him to talk in like my vlog. Hopefully that.
There's no hopefully. Just to do it.
It's definitely. Yeah, we're finally gonna be shooting in his office for the first time, man. Like, damn, after watching so many of his videos in his office, finally gonna be there. And then hopefully he's okay with me shooting inside. I don't know, shooting some videos of the stuff there. Yeah, so yeah. Woo!
So what car are we looking at?
Nissan.
Nissan.
So we just ordered and grab. We're heading over to like
Dan Khoo's office right now
around the area. Yeah.
for lunch.
Yep. It's so hard to film with sunglasses, man.
Huh?
It's so hard to film with sunglasses, man. Because I can't really see it.
It's very black, right?
Yeah.
Take it off.
Huh? No, my eyes.
Oh my god!
前面那边
United!
他们刚好火在那边。
哦，那个一直绕一直绕，我跟你讲，看这个很好笑。Off camera, off camera.
Sorry, guys. So we're gonna find a place to sit, like a restaurant, meet up with Zoe, Aaron, and then yeah, meet up with Dan later. So this is Zoe.
Hi.
And this is Aaron.
Yeah.
She's a YouTuber and he's a photographer.
So please subscribe my YouTube channel.
/ streamer. People now streaming already.
Both of them are streamers.
Wait, people like this one more.
Aaron is
Wrong crowd, wrong crowd.
You invite me to your house.
Oh my god. It's like, you go away. Wrong.
So what we do? Okay. Like, oh my god, damn. Like, because
Let me try this again.
我的 vocab 很少 so 很 like 记不住东西耶
This is hard. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, moving tables in Dan Khoo's office. I'm the new, bully here. oh, kimochi.
Boing, boing.
You guys going down?
This is the girl that I mentioned in the video. Why you call it boy? That's the name. Really? Yeah. Oh.
Oh, not that house.
Well, her name is
Not really
Boing
always
Tan or something.
Trust me, people always say no. No. Opposite is a very Unless back to your left.
Going to menu first.
Sorry, back to.
来，进来。
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you.
So we just finished shooting. Woo!
It's done.
Yeah,
The collab is done.
a lot of fun.
Wait for our video, alright? It's gonna be lit.
So it's pretty awesome that we get to like see them like on set shooting and stuff. It's like what you see on your screens to actually like being there in real life. Like woo, damn man, that's a pretty dope people, pretty dope day. Like day we spent. So we're going off to Paradigm Mall, and then of course in the boat. So we're going to the mall right now, and then whoop.
Darling, you.
Sorry guys,
I know you. Darling, you. Send me. Darling, you. Send me. Darling, you. Send me.
Hey, so how's the collab, man?
Collab was awesome. It was so fun. I finally get to collab with Dan Khoo and see how he works.
Do you feel more like a YouTuber now?
Yeah, like kinda. My first collab though, like official out of town collab lah.
Oh, so if you wait, that doesn't count lah.
But yeah, stay tuned guys for the video. It's gonna be released soon.
Can we play with green screen, man? I mean, we tried playing with green screen, but like this is like the official one, doing it with green screen.
Send me. Send me. Send me. Darling, you. Send me. I know you. Send me. Darling, you. Send me. I know you. Send me. Honest to you.
We're supposed to go to that bar, but just now you can't really see it. I don't know. Yeah, but it's like kind of full now. They say it's gonna be spaces around 11
We're
or
going
12.
for round 10!
Yeah, we're going for round 2, man. Yeah. So
get lit,
we're
guys.
going
Let's
to a
get
place
lit.
called Arena. I don't know what was it?
Arena bar.
Arena bar. It's
Sounds fancy, y'all.
yeah, sounds like a
Swear.
bar where you
Where
fight to
you
the
fight.
death. It's gonna be pretty late though, right?
Wow! We just went to 2 bars, man! It was freaking lit! Yo! Oh my gosh! Woo!
Alright guys, in actual fact, we didn't actually went to any bars at all.
Don't lie, man! We totally get drunk and we're like, oh my god!
He's the only one he's the only guy who's drunk, dude. So we didn't get in because the bar looks like it's a little bit atas, and because Aaron is wearing slippers, so then we cannot go. It's okay lah.
係啊，佢有說啦，他
don't want my
And so we're going to
We're
head
going
out
back
to
to where we went just now. We're going back to where we went.
like over there.
Yeah, the lie.
Oh, I'm not even sure where we're going. But yeah, so location 3, hopefully 3 marks the spot. Sorry, I mean third time's the charm.
I mean, we just came here and then we went back and then we came here again.
It's full, bro.
Oh!
Full house.
Shit, man, I'll put some joy.
You're weak, Dalton. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. You're weak.
Hey, you gotta pause video.
Fuck you.
Pause video, guys. Haven't paused the video yet.
Feeling so drunk now. I don't know whether you can see that I'm kind of red now. Or
那个钱，我会拨给你先，然后你翻译拨给我，然后我这里有一个。
So yesterday, last night, I did manage to end the vlog. If you follow me on Instagram, then you can see what happened. I actually took some shots of some videos of what happened. Sorry, mom. Yeah, so it's a very tiring day yesterday. Very hectic. Oh my gosh, man. Took a long day. We end up at the hotel at 5 in the morning.
We were supposed to be heading over to Genting already that time.
Yeah, we're almost like this close to go to Genting.
Almost.
But yeah, I managed to stop it. I managed to be firm and just say, I want to go home. Yeah. So be firm, guys. Do whatever you want and make the right decision. That's what I was about to talk about, like YouTube as this platform where it's like it's very amazing. I really like this platform where I mean like for example like yesterday we got to meet up with Dan Khoo, we get to meet up with like everyone like in the office, like Ernest and everyone. It's like where can you have the chance to like meet these kind of people, like these creatives, these creators, if you're doing something else other than YouTube. So this is like a reminder for me, like why I started doing YouTube and why I started doing all of these. Yeah, it's very interesting. It actually makes your life more interesting. You get to meet more people, you get to mingle around with like other creators from West Malaysia instead of like the East Malaysia where we're always at.
Can you see me in the background? Can you not?
I don't know. I can't even see the monitor, man.
Oh my god, stop filming me in the background.
So for all those who are still considering on doing like YouTube or like content creating in general, just don't think about like all of those stuff, like where you can get money or like your parents don't support you and stuff. I mean, look at the bright side. You get to meet a lot of people, and in the end, it turns into business. It turns into a community where you can like connect with a lot of people or like just a few people. And I mean, it's good enough lah. Hey, the more people you can meet, the more business you will have, and then yeah, everything will be just fine. Okay, so special thanks to Dalton. I hope you're watching this, man. Oh wait, he's here.
What the fuck? I can't break this, guys.
I'm still hangover for last night, bro. Yeah, this trip wouldn't happen without this guy. I don't know whether you can see him. Yeah, so thanks, man. I hope you're watching this. I'll be with you. I feel like you're here with me already, but I don't know.
I'm dying inside!
Special thanks to Dan also. I didn't get to interview him. I should have like a content prepared more or less lah in my brain.
Next round, yeah,
Next round. Maybe next round lah. I should wanted to like ask him about stuff like about the YouTube platform and stuff. Yeah, because I'm such a huge diehard fan. Well, not diehard. I'm such a huge fan of Dan Khoo for so long. And I finally get to meet him. Finally get to meet the people there. Yeah, pretty stoked, man. Woo. And yeah, I'll see you guys. We are heading over to KL Central now. Peace. Oh yeah, and special thanks to Zoe also. Without her, like we wouldn't even have the chance to meet up with Dan. So thanks Zoe. Thanks Aaron. Thanks.